I believe that children must be honored the way they honor us, mothers and fathers, on Mothers and Fathers Day. We want everybody to know that our children are the sunshine in our lives.
You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy.
I think what Children's Day does and the Child Month does is it brings our consciousness back to are we doing enough for our children.
And this year, the National Child Month Committee ensured that Children's Day 2016 was better than last year's staging.
This year is different because we have a main sponsor, the Jamaica Civil Aviation Authority, and they have sponsored us, and that has given us the privilege to extend the program. In former times we have had it just uptown and downtown, or downtown alone. This is the 4th year, and this year we're in 6 locations. We have other areas set up in Spanish Town, Halfway Tree, also in Black River, in St. Anne and in Montego Bay.
We have been able to make it possible for Jamaica to show our children that they are truly our future. We say that all the time, but it's more than a mantra. It's something that we believe in, especially in our industry. We know that children are the source of renewal and ingenuity, and we know that we must support anything that promotes their development.
This morning we started the day in Halfway Tree and downtown Kingston, where with the National Child Month Committee we went out to share tokens with our children and some stickers which had a simple message that reminded them that they are special.
I'm really happy that today's our day. I kind of find it really essential that the children can enjoy their day today. And yes, I got my sticker. I love it.
I feel good, I feel appreciated, and I feel that you really care about us.
I feel nice because everybody knows that they are all special.
It's the positive feedback from the children that continues to propel the National Child Month Committee to make each year better than the one before.
Next year we are looking for more sponsorship because it has to be in all 14 parishes. That is our plan.
Are we doing enough to show appreciation to our children? What more can we do?
I think it could be better. I think we need to do more of this activity. Just don't wait until Child's Month.
Each day of the year, a parent or a guardian should have something special being done for their child. If it's even to read them a bedtime story, because ultimately it resonates with them and tells them the importance of reading. And for older children, it's very important that you talk to them, that you do homework with them.
Be kind to them and be respectful to them and say thank you and please to them for what you ask them for.
We know to different places, showing us the country.
Be there for our children, communicate as much as possible with them, allowing them to be part of the decision-making process, whatever we do, no matter how small it is. It simply could be you're going to purchase a shoes, but you select as parent the 2 quality shoes that you want, and you have them select, so they're still part of that decision-making process.
I'm really appealing to other persons outside to really see this as a very important event of the National Child Month Committee, as all the other activities are, but if they could just come on board and really help us on this special day to make the children feel loved. Remember, next year, National Children's Day, should we be alive, all adults must wear something yellow. It says 2 things. 1, you love your children, and even to a greater extent, you love all the children of Jamaica.
Let's make a concerted effort to acknowledge our children as the sunshine in our lives.
You are my sunshine.